Formula One teams are using the winter period to restructure departments and prepare for a season that will carry unusual internal pressure. Lineups have changed, development groups are being reshaped, and several organizations are reassessing how they operate at trackside after demanding campaigns. In this environment, staffing decisions are no longer seen as secondary but as central to performance. The conclusion of the 2025 season intensified that process. Multiple teams finished the year under scrutiny, with attention extending beyond cars and results to the way operations were managed on race weekends. For manufacturers entering a new competitive phase, stability inside the garage has become as relevant as upgrades brought to the circuit. Ferrari fits squarely into that picture after a difficult year marked by high expectations and visible tension. Lewis Hamilton's first season with the Italian team proved complicated, and several of his on-track exchanges with race engineer Riccardo Adami drew attention. Before preparations for 2026 began in earnest, Ferrari confirmed that Adami would move into a new role within the team and would no longer work directly with the seven-time world champion across the 24-race calendar. That announcement immediately raised questions about who would take over one of the most sensitive positions in the garage. According to the Daily Mail, Peter Bonington's name was considered externally, but the outlet reported there is no chance of him being persuaded to leave Mercedes. Bonington, widely known as Bono, is expected to continue as race engineer to Andrea Kimi Antonelli, maintaining continuity at the Brackley-based team. Attention has therefore shifted toward internal Ferrari options. Gazzetta dello Sport reported that Luca Diella is currently leading the list of candidates to step into the role. Diella brings recent experience from both sides of the Hamilton-Ferrari transition, having worked at Mercedes between 2019 and 2025 before joining Ferrari earlier this year. Diella was transferred to Maranello in February and, according to the Italian newspaper, was appointed Hamilton's performance engineer from July onward. That positioning has placed him close to Hamilton's working methods, technical feedback and communication style, factors often viewed as decisive when selecting a race engineer. The potential promotion would mirror a recent Ferrari precedent. Brian Bozzi followed a similar path after serving as Charles Leclerc's performance engineer before being promoted to race engineer in May 2024. Ferrari has not yet confirmed who will replace Adami, but reports indicate the team is leaning toward continuity rather than seeking an external figure. What's your take on this situation? Share your opinion below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Formula One updates.